Hi guys, I'm here with one of the official candidates of Mr. Friendship Philippines. I'm here with Mark representing Masantol, Pampanga.
Yes
Ayan.
po.
Hi Mark!
Yes po, hi po.
Kumusta ka right after the preliminary competition?
I'm so happy kasi na ano ako, ng tinik. Nabunutan ako ng tinik.
Uh-huh. So which is your favorite part of this competition?
Actually, the formal wear kasi may papaspas.
Uh-huh. Wow, ang galing mo dun ha.
Ay, sana all.
Oh, nakita ko yung performance mo. And who taught you on your runway?
Actually, sa runway, si Sir Edwin Uy.
Uh-huh.
That is my designer.
And also designer for your formal wear?
No, it's not Sir Edwin. Sir Richard.
Richard for your formal wear.
Yeah, yes po.
Na sinuot mo this
This pre
preliminary.
pageant.
How about for your final?
Sir Edwin Uy, tomorrow.
Wow, I'm so excited to see. And,
Yes,
I
the
think
barong.
more pasabog yan.
Yes,
Sir
pasabog
Edwin
yan,
pa.
syempre. Hindi ako papatalo.
Ayan. So, it's been 3 days or 4 days you're here, or 3 days you've been here in
Actually,
Angeles
3
City?
days.
3 days. So, ano yung mga natutunan mo?
Natutunan ko is kung paano makisalamuha sa mga kapwa ko candidate. Syempre, as a Mr. Friendship, dapat marunong ka makisama. Kumbaga, itrato mo sila hindi bilang ibang tao, itrato mo sila bilang pangalawang kapatid mo na.
Ayun. And aside from that, Mark, I've been following you on your TikTok account, and nakikita kita lagi na you're
Yes, I am
always
TikTok.
doing a live.
Yes.
And do you think being an influencer is your advantage to get the crowd?
Actually, mas marami pang mga followers yung mga ibang candidate maliban sa akin.
Mhm.
Siguro ang advantage ko lang sa kanila is I'm a live streamer. Kasi sila more on TikTok lang,
More
live
content.
creator,
Yeah.
more content. Ako kasi I'm a official live streamer on TikTok.
Ayun. So how long you've been doing
I am a
live
2
streaming?
years.
2 years.
2 years actually.
So what's the most or what do you love about live streaming?
Because a lot of gifters actually, a lot of friends, a lot of memories, and syempre hindi maiwasan yung basher.
So how do you deal with the bashers?
Stay put there. Kayong mga nagre-report sa mga content ko, pagpalain kayo lalo ni Lord.
Ayan. Mark, aside from being a live streamer and as well as content creator, if given a chance to win this title, what content would you like to share with us?
I share of my followers is to be a friendship of others. Syempre, as a Mr. Friendship International Philippines, kung may basher ka, ayan, hindi mawawala yung basher sa TikTok. Mas mahalin mo sila kasi sila yung nagbibigay ng nagpapasikat sa iyo sa social media.
And what made you decide to join Mr. Friendship Philippines?
I'm joining this pageant because I want to make my family proud of me.
Why?
Because my family is my weaknesses, it's my joy, and it's my it's my greatest weakness, like that. Kaya ako ginagawa to para sa kanila.
Bago ka naging live streamer or content creator or influencer, ano yung pinagkakabalan mo?
Actually, I am a teacher by profession.
Wow. Up
But
until now?
no, hindi pa kasi ako pasado.
Uh-huh.
Kaya abang hindi ako pasado sa teacher, nagla-live stream muna ako.
And what inspiring story would you like to share with us?
I inspire people to about TikTok.
About your life.
Siguro maging matatag kayo sa buhay. Ganyan. Kasi sa aking pinagdaanan sa buhay ay parang naging stepping stone ko yon para ma-achieve ko yung dreams ko sa buhay. Yun.
Ayun. Thank you so much, Mark, and best of luck on your journey sa Mr. Friendship Philippines.
Thank you so much,
I
guys.
know you
Thank
can do it.
Yes, thank you. Para sa
Thank you.
pangarap.
Yes.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.